Want cookware that lasts? Explore the best options before purchasing your next set of pots, skillets, or grill pans. Nonstick cookware is one of the most popular choices because you can cook with little or no oil and clean up fast. But there are some trade-offs. They can scratch easily, so use silicone utensils. Most nonstick pans need to be hand-washed, so cleanup may take longer. If you have an induction cooktop, you'll need Induction Cookware. The benefits include quick, even heating and easy cleanup. But be careful not to scratch your glass-top cooktop when using heavy pots. Stainless steel cookware is durable and affordable. They are non-toxic, cook evenly, retain heat well, and resist rust and stains. Most of them are even safe for oven and dishwashers. If you're looking for a non-stick style without chemicals, ceramic cookware is a smart pick. They're dishwasher and oven safe. Plus, they come in a variety of colors, like mint green, light blue, white, and more. Just keep in mind the coating may wear out over time, so you might need to replace it sooner than other materials. Cast iron cookware is versatile, as you can use it on the stove, in the oven, or even over a campfire. It holds heat extremely well and is ideal for baking, braising, and roasting. But don't put cast iron in the dishwasher. Instead, wipe it with a paper towel and scrub with hot water. Avoid soaking it to prevent rust. Aluminum cookware provides fast, even heating and is affordable. For durability, select hard anodized aluminum. Most of this cookware offers a non-stick coating that's great for stir-frying vegetables, cooking eggs, or making pancakes. With so many materials and features to choose from, picking the right cookware comes down to your cooking style and preference. Visit Lowe's to explore our full selection of cookware and get the set that fits your needs.